Hi, I'm Mike Ryan, the CEO of RSP, and I would like to welcome you to our new facility here in Brookfield, Wisconsin. RSP operated in our previous facility for over 30 years. The old property had two buildings that required us to shuttle materials back and forth, which was sometimes a big challenge during the cold Wisconsin winters. With a lot of hard work, because of our amazing clients, RSP has managed to grow consistently for over 15 years. This growth resulted in us utilizing every square inch of our old facility. In fact, we ended up leasing additional space nearby to warehouse and assemble product. A couple years ago, we found out that additional space was being sold and we wouldn't be able to utilize it anymore. So we decided it was time to pick up and move and find a new home. After an exhaustive search for the perfect new building, we settled on a small industrial area in Brookfield, Wisconsin, only about 15 minutes from our old building. Our new facility offered us several ways to better serve our clients. First, it gave us additional space to update and streamline our operations in a modern facility, including new clean room capabilities. Second, we purchased and brought in additional equipment to give us new capabilities and improved material processing. Third, the new building gives us the space we need and the capacity to grow with our clients, who rely on us as a true manufacturing partner. Finally, the new space allowed us to expand our third-party logistics and order fulfillment and warehousing, which has been super successful and allows RSP to be an end-to-end solution provider. From engineering to logistics, we can help you every step of the way. We chose Brookfield, Wisconsin because of its great access to transportation, its manufacturing base, and it was also convenient for our existing employees. After an extensive remodel to improve offices, IT infrastructure, and clean room facilities, as well as bring in additional power for our equipment, we finally began full operations here last year. RSP is proud of our history, and we look forward to spending many years here in Brookfield. Please stop by for a visit to see our new home.